Tursus has a plan to make Goa net zero over 2024. We solarize, hybridize. But wait, we need your help. Join the revolution. Give a missed call on 8286938286.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So, what happened? त्यांना मायनिंग लूट म्हणटा ती मायनिंग लूट केन्ना जाली there was Olympics to be held at Beijing,
Yes.
China. China was buying iron ore from all over the world, not only India.
Yes.
Now, the iron ore which is available in Goa is of the lowest quality.
Yes.
सारखी low grade quality.
कित्याक ती बोर ग्रेड आसलो ती जपानान वयली एट वन टायम.
ती पयली
पयली.
बट आतां आयक सो this low grade हे कितें करपाक लागले there was illegal mining happening in Karnataka.
Yes.
रेड्डी ब्रदर्स तुवें आयकलां आसतलें
हय
रेड्डी
हय हय
ब्रदर्स
जनार्दन रेड्डी ते सांग सर हांव मायनिंग आसलो न्हू म्हाका सांगोनाक तें पिसूरलें हांवें डांप देखून येयल्लो कळ्ळें न्हू आय विल टेल यू माय स्टोरी देन.
So these people were bringing good grade iron ore from those mines where the Reddys were doing
and they were
bringing it into Goa. They were mixing.
Yeah.
They were mixing with this low grade
Yes.
and exporting to China.
Yeah, 58 grade कोताले आणि ते विकताले. 58 grade was the demand.
Okay.
They were bringing. See, I was also doing it, sir. I'm not a customer. Sir. I am not a saint over here. And why I respect you, sir. See what is called, no?
Okay. So in this main person सगळी चोरी करपाक मी सगळे कोत्ताले तूं एकलो मेन कोण जाणो तूं तो सालगोंकार मेला तो अनिल सालगोंकार MLA बी
अनिल सालगोंकार.
होय and that is why there was an arrest warrant for him in China.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now what happened is it was selling at a very high rate म्हणजे all the mine owners were making profit.
Yes.
तातून सगळ्यांनी that is why 88 leases पळय हा मायन लिजीस तातून हे आहात जोकी आलेमांव आणि पाऊसकार आणि सगळे आहात.
Yes.
There was one dump. It is known as dump number 6. Dump number 6. At the dump number 6 kidak it is known as dump number 6 is because in the dump number 6 Digambar, Pauskar आणि सगळे व्हडले involved आले. I don't have complete information on that, but I know it is dump number 6. It was, and so these people, when they used to call dump number 6, they knew who the people were. This is a separate information. But now what happened is China was taking, because China had the technology to segregate good and bad, and they used to extract the steel from that. They separate Doria. Now, suddenly, the dollar collapsed. When the dollar collapsed, these companies all started suffering losses. ये सगळे पण export कोत्ताले, they started suffering losses in crores.
Yes.
Now, somebody had to bail them out. Meeting was held at Vijay Sardesai's house.
Yes.
Representatives of all the mine owners were there. Claude Alvarez was also there. आणि ताका सांगलें बाबा तूं कशेंय करून हे कोर्टान वचोन हे बॅन हाड सो दॅट वी कॅन टेल चायना लिगली वी हॅव बीन स्टॉप्ड सो एज पर द कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट we are stopping this supply by contract because the law has stopped us. So they wanted the court. So वो तांकां help करपाक गेला आणि ते ban हाडला. Okay, everything was managed. But what happened good for us is Supreme Courtan सांगले बाबा you have to auction.
Yes.
You have to auction. Till then I will not allow you. तातून हे सगळे फसले. So Claude Alvarez तू तर ताका म्हणशी congratulations doctor you did a good thing. तो आबूज जाता. तो खोशी जावच्या सुवातेर तो आबूज जाता. Because intention of the ban was to help the mine owners.
See what it
But
is.
now the mine owners are in trouble. No, that is absolutely fake. कित्याक पळय राती 12 सुमार आमच्या MLAन बा बेल्टनान फोन केलो अरे एक ऑडियो आयला अरे ऑडियो मातसो चॅक कर खंयचो and I could not recollect खंयचो ऑडियो then I checked 4-5 फावट घालना and I felt there is some distortion, some डॉक्टरींग आतां सद्या आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स आसा. यू कॅन कोणायच्या आवाजान कितेंय काडपाक जाता. सो इमिजिएटली आय सो दीस थिंग शूड बी सेंड फॉर फॉरेन्सीक एग्जामिनेशन. हो म्हजो आवाज न्ही, हो म्हजो ऑडियो न्ही, म्हजो ऑडियो न्ही. हें BJPन केलां आतां इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार जस्ट टू डायवर्ट द एटेन्शन बिकॉज दे नो सॉलीड नेगेटिविटी आसा. सॉलीड नेगेटिविटी आनी ते हांव बारीक आयकपाक लागले आमी. द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग आय रँग अप माय फ्रेंड्स, माय टीम मेंबर्स, ताणें आयकलें. ते म्हणपाक लागले अरे ते आवाजान डिफरन्स आसा कितें, हें कितें तरी. सो वी वॉन्ट अ फॉरेन्सीक एग्जामिनेशन. हैदराबाद धाडपाक जाय तें आनी चॅक करपाक जाय. दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी. कित्याक मायनिंगेचे दीस आय वॉज इन द इंडियन नेवी.